When wetlands flood, they produce methane, which is a powerful greenhouse gas. In fact, wetlands are the largest natural source of methane on our planet. Knowing the extent and duration of flooded wetlands allows us to better estimate a wetland's methane production, which helps better understand how climate change is having an impact on wetland ecosystems. I recently returned from a scientific field campaign in the Peruvian Amazon. We went to Pacaya, Samaria to install sensors that measure when wetlands are inundated or flooded. These measurements will be compared to what the NISAR satellite will be measuring from space. If they match, then it gives us confidence that the satellite is making adequate and accurate measurements. If all goes according to plan, NISAR will be able to detect and monitor inundated wetlands from space, providing data similar to our ground measurements all year round. So what is NISAR? NISAR is a collaboration between NASA and the Indian Space Research Organization. The satellite will have 2 radars, allowing us to see the surface of the Earth regardless of clouds or day or night conditions. In this campaign, we focused on NISAR's ability to see through the canopy to detect different types of inundated wetlands. And given the dense tree canopy in the tropics, this area will be a test of NISAR's radar to detect inundation through thick vegetation. Our amazing team worked very hard and accomplished our goals for this field campaign. It was hot, it was hard work, it was difficult to access, but it was very productive. We installed over 75 sensors, which are up and running and ready for when NISAR overflies the area. I think this mission is going to be game-changing in our ability to monitor global wetland ecosystems. And that, my friends, will allow us to better understand our planet.